they do. I'm out here at the range today with Ruger Wrangler 22, putting it some shots down range on paper. It's raining here today, as you can see, and I'll tell you what, I'm pleasantly surprised that when I put them on paper, it doesn't seem to be shooting as high as I originally thought, like the last time I came out. I was having problems getting the cartridges in, so I took the forebrush, and then I took the forebrush down the barrel, and I'm putting it on paper now, and if you look at the shots, it's probably like a 3-inch groove down there, but it's just a little to the left point of aim, point of impact. But not much as I originally thought, you know. And I will shoot a couple more shots. Just using this Winchester 5.55 Wolfpack. I think it does it more, you know, sending it back in. I'm glad that they had mentioned to put it on paper. It seems that with the cleaning it, it's just really concentrated. And doing pretty well today. That's about 6 more shots, and let me pause for a minute, wait till the rain kind of dies down. I'll show you the target. Alright, so let me just show you here. Here's the target, and you can see about 10 foot away. You know, it's not as high as I anticipated. Definitely shoots a little bit to the left, but I think I might be able to move the sight on the front of the gun with a pair of pliers maybe, and I'd probably be able to just shoot it to the left just a hair. Because I notice it looked just a hair off. If you look down, it's hard to tell, but it looks like it's a hair, you know, pulling a hair to the right a little bit. It's hard to tell. But I'm thinking if I move it just a touch to the left, that should be able to bring that groove in. But it's definitely shooting pretty good. You know, it's really not too, you see it's kind of low high, it's really not shooting as you know, high as I had thought, but that's kind of where I'm at now with it. So I may just hold on to it then for now, and just keep shooting it. You know, go to another couple more 500 rounds, and then break it in a little bit maybe, and see where I'm at. But I think it's doing a lot better with the cleaning and just concentrating. It's shooting a little better than I first time I brought it out. So I'll probably just hold on to it right now and keep working with it. Anyways, that's where I'm at now. So thank you guys. Appreciate the follow-up.